What is Forex? Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the global financial market where currencies are traded. It's a straightforward concept. If you believe one currency will strengthen compared to another, and your prediction turns out to be correct, you can make a profit. Commonly referred to as Forex or FX, the foreign exchange market is the largest financial market worldwide. It operates globally and is decentralized, facilitating the exchange of currencies from around the world. Due to the constant fluctuation of exchange rates, the Forex market is dynamic, with changes occurring by the second. Interestingly, the majority of currency transactions in the global Forex market are driven by speculative purposes, rather than practical transactions related to international trade or tourism. Currency traders, also known as speculators, purchase currencies with the expectation of selling them at a higher price in the future. Compared to the measly $200 billion per day volume of the New York Stock Exchange, the foreign exchange market looks absolutely ginormous with its $6.6 trillion a day trade volume. Yes, that's trillion with a T. The Forex market operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, only taking a break during the weekends. It's quite an impressive feat when considering the continuous nature of this market. It's as if they take weekends off, but let's not call them slackers.